everyone, it's Lori from Dee's back with another great kit. We have a lot of new kits that are online and that are coming up online, whether it be Easter or spring. So today we are going to do a fun spring kit. And this is going to be on this beautiful mint toned, I was going to say mint flavored wreath, grapevine wreath that is available at shopdeeslouisville.com. We also have them in white and pink, and it's just a nice change of pace. But if you prefer grapevine, or if you want to put it on your boxwood wreath, whatever you may have, that is perfect too. So in your kit, you are going to receive this beautiful hydrangea stem. There's so much on here. It's got that bluish tone to it, a little bit of added extra greenery, some little fern leaves, and everything that you need for texture. So we could cut this off in one piece and just remove a little bit of that bottom stem, and we could put this in here. You could also separate it into two if you would prefer, which may make it even a little bit more secure. So let's just go ahead and separate that. So what I did was, it's going to come to you like this, and right below the smaller hydrangea is where I cut, and then you'll have another stem there too. So we're going to put a little glue on this stem, and I'm just going to poke it in right up in this area. And where you place things on your wreath is all personal preference, but we're going to do something kind of a half moon this direction today. Next, we're going to take this other stem that we have, and I'm going to insert it in right down here like so. Try to spread that color throughout here. Then those leaves around and kind of fluff this up. Next, we have this beautiful pink mini wild daisy stem. I think this is so pretty. It's kind of a blushy. It's got a little cream, and then you're getting your little extra tones of some greens in there. And this is a wired stem, so it's really super nice. And again, it's all about being easy. So we're just going to cut that stem at the bottom, and I'm just going to tuck that in right in between these two hydrangeas. Push that down in there really good. Keep that nice and secure. And then we can fluff this open. Put my little flower back on there. I pulled that off. And last but not least, we have this beautiful stem. I just love this stem and the colorings of it, and it's got that beautiful greenery that trails off. So again, this stem has got 3 shoots, and we are going to use all 3 shoots. So I'm just going to cut these apart. And then we can put a little glue on these and just shoot these right out, and then you can kind of open them up. I like a little bit of that wispy, airy look. Tends to be more my favorite type of look rather than a really tight, compact wreath. And then we'll add this piece in. And again, it's all personal preference on where you want to place things. You can make it tighter. You can make it looser. I'm going to pop this right in over here. So we've added a little more of that blushy tone, just beautiful colors for spring, for Easter, for whatever. And then we have this adorable bird nest. So we're going to put a little glue on the bottom of our bird nest. Put that right on there and tuck this right into our wreath. And how perfect is that for spring? Quick, easy, and ready to go. So remember, you can get this kit at shopdeeslouisville.com, or you can also pick up a wreath that has the colors in the pink, the mint, or the white if you'd like to have a little change on your wreaths. And check all this and more out at shopdeeslouisville.com.